Hello everyone. So it's beginning of 2021. I wanted to maybe post updates more often than I used to now. So just to let you know what's coming up this year. Two projects. The first of them is a robot. It's this one here. I already welded a frame. The frame is or the robot is actually quite big. The wheel's diameter is 12 centimeters. The robot in total is 31 by 42 centimeters, and I already created a PCB for it, or actually I had it printed. These are two PCBs. I'm not sure yet where this project will go. The idea was that it will be a balancing robot that will balance like that, but actually it turned out I have 4 motors instead of 2, so I don't know if it will be balancing on 2 wheels like this, these two and these two, and also will be able to run on all 4 wheels, or maybe I will attach an arm to it, like a robotic arm that will be able to like grab things or act in some way. Or I was also thinking to attach a Raspberry Pi with a camera, or maybe Xbox Connect to it, so it'll be able to recognize people or silhouettes of people, and maybe act on commands. So this is the I call it now WojciechRobot project, and the other project will be WojciechRoaster. So it'll be Roaster 2.0. I already created or had a printed PCB for it, and it will be a coffee roaster, just like the one you can see. I will put a link to the Roaster 1.0. But this roaster, I want this one to look like a steampunk version. So it will be created out of these really cool pipes, these elements. So this is 3/4 of an inch pipes. I have these are just examples. I have a whole lot of these parts. It's actually total of 14 kilos of steel, plus a motor, plus chaff collectors, all sort of stuff. Hopefully it will be below 20 kilos. So this is what's coming up in 2021. Hope it will be better than 2020. Alright, that's it. Take care.